So, a warm welcome to you all. We will be underway very shortly, once all the pleasantries are complete. And here we have Fiorentina against Roma. I'm Peter Drury, and it's a pleasure to be alongside Jim Beglin.
Hello, Peter, and hello to everyone watching. For me, it's a real thrill to be here.
Here then the lineups for this game. So it's away we go then. So Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
Mats Hummels deserves a mention. He's earned many plaudits through his controlled, aggressive approach and discipline. He'll pick your pocket as opposed to going right through you. And it's a style, I think, that many young, aspiring defenders should have a look at.
Yeah, I'm inclined to agree. Great run this, he's covered quite a distance. He's got away with one there.
Yeah, and it's very good play to force the initial error there. That's what created the opening in the first place. Well, I think the early signs have been very good for them. They've already got that defence unsettled, and now they've got to back it up.
Aimed long and direct. It's Dybala. Tries a through ball. Al-Sharawi. It's gone for a throw-in. Al-Sharawi. Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? Dybala. Fiorentina looking really energetic early on. It is a high press. Tries to get it forward quickly. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. And that's a throw. So a third of the match, or thereabouts, gone, and we still await the first goal. Chance!
Well, we were unlikely to see a goal then because there were so many players crowding out that danger area. I think something very special was going to be needed.
Good, strong hand by the keeper. And that's off target. Dybala. He's got it on the right now. What's on? Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. And he's whipped it in low. Mats Hummels does well there, alert. Looks to slip it through. Now the pass. Battles to win it back. Is it out of harm's way? Boots it upfield. Fires it in low. It was all about the quality of the delivery, and they come away with nothing. Timely intervention. Dybala. Knocks it towards the front. Mats Hummels. Al-Sharawi. So what now? And it's Dybala. Still waiting for the first goal. Looks like a good ball through. Al-Sharawi. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Fiorentina get it back again. Ball's loose, who's getting there? They found themselves penned in, nowhere to go. Still going, where to next? Now the cross. And it's half-time here. An engrossing half, but we're still where we started, 0-0. Here we go again.
Well, the first half didn't really produce the goals we'd have liked. Hopefully they've been saved for the second. For that to be the case, though, we'll need to see more energy and invention early on.
It's a good run down the left-hand side. Tries a through ball. Big chance! And he's there to make a great save.
Oh, he made that look really easy, Peter, but I can assure you that wasn't a routine save. He had to be very switched on there.
They've managed to get it away. Mats Hummels. Dybala. Mats Hummels. And the through ball is intercepted. Pumps it upfield.
Actually not getting too tight, which is interesting.
No.
It's probably cautionary. Don't dive in, try to pinch it or intercept so nobody can get in behind.
Forward it goes. Great challenge. He's got options in the box if he gets his head up. Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there.
Over-elaborate, Peter. An exercise in just passing time, well, not getting very far.
Mats Hummels. Well, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. It's a long forward pass. That's good progress he's made on the ball. Where to next?
Well, there's a lot of movement out wide now.
Yeah, you can certainly see that. The referee's awarded a free kick. Fires from distance.
Well, he has a bit of a reputation from that sort of range, Peter, and he can half-smack one.
Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
The idea was good, though, Peter, and I like the run that triggered the pass, but the quality was the problem.
Dybala. That's one way of trying to make things happen. There's a few who could follow that example. Aim forward. Dybala. It's a promising run he's making on the right. Knocks it away. Really didn't have enough to concern the defence. Mats Hummels. Passes it through. Mats Hummels gets it back. Thrust towards the front line. Ball has crossed the line, and it's a throw. Roma have a sub ready to come on. It's a loose ball. And he's been booked for simulation.
Listen, he can play the innocent as much as he wants, Peter, but it was fairly obvious to everyone here. He's got no hiding place.
Mats Hummels.
Well, they're supposed to be chasing a goal, and yet there's no urgency or sense of awareness. They've got to wake up.
Good running with the ball. Can they build on it? Looks to slip it through. Drilled in low. And back out it comes. 2 minutes to be added on. It's a good run down the right. Where could this lead? Battles to win it back. Who's going to make this theirs? Loose. The final whistle and stalemate. One, if not for fans, then perhaps for coaches, satisfied by organisation and solidity. Little cutting edge at either end, and it finishes 0-0. So, Jim, how do you reflect on what we've seen?
Well, neither side could get over the line here. Perhaps one team might be happier, but at the final reckoning, it's honours even and no complaints.
So we've reached the end of our coverage for today. Many thanks to Jim Beglin alongside me, and we'll both see you next time.